Good morning, y'all. This is Beauty.
This is Beast.
He's being funny, y'all. He tried to be hecka dry with it because we just did another take on this.
She just want to hate.
No, he's lying. He's lying.
Check this out. We got a new crate box. So we're going to show you what's in it. And we don't know where it's from, so it's going to be a surprise to us, just like to you guys. So I hope you enjoy it. Watch it. Subscribe. Hit that like. The notification bell. All that. Thank you.
Okay, right now we about to bring you the crate box at this very moment. Check it out. All right, y'all.
Alright, we're back.
We're back now. That's
We're
it.
about to try different things. Oh, let me go
try
get
the
a
box.
I gotta get a shot glass. Cause I'd be damned if I drink this goddamn soda.
He's scared to drink this, so he's like he about to get ready to get. Oh, get the little can opener, whatever, to pop this open, so we can try it. Bring me a little glass too. Sorry, you guys, we're trying to get it together here, so we can get ready to give you guys a good review on this one. This one we didn't get that much stuff in it like the first box we got, so I don't understand the difference. Maybe different countries got certain things that are more popular, so this must be their most popular items that I can think of. So I don't know, I'm real curious about this though. I'm real curious about this.
You wanna try that first?
No, because it might, if it's nasty, it might mess up my taste buds.
You got water?
Oh, it's no, I don't. It's right there.
I get it.
No, I don't know. I don't know, y'all. We're just trying to give y'all a review, so sorry. This is our reality.
This is what you guys want.
It's our reality.
This is what you're gonna get. Tell him ahead. All right. So, first on the menu.
Okay, we're back with it. Here we go.
All right, first on the menu, I'm gonna try the Old Dutch ketchup chips. Let's see. Smell like ketchup.
I don't like this. Do it taste like ketchup? You don't even like ketchup.
Tastes like French fries with a lot of ketchup.
They do. It tastes just like. Ooh.
I'm gonna tell you which tastes like Burger King fries.
And they say it's gluten-free as well, too. You think it tastes like Burger King fries?
Mm-hmm, with the ketchup.
Probably so.
Alright.
Okay. Next one we're about to try is these Ruffles. You see them? I don't know what to think. I don't know if it's the ketchup one that got me or what. But
These are doable.
I don't know. I still feel like I got that ketchup taste. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get the flavor.
She's smacking over here. They doable.
Yeah, they are. They do. They taste better than the ketchup ones.
Yeah.
I should have drank though. To clear my palate. Should drink something to clear my palate. Okay, what you want to do next in the box?
Let me try these right here. Oh, let's see.
This is what they look like. Oh, that's good.
Yeah. I could do these.
Them is good.
Perfect. Get you all back. Make you
It
wanna,
do.
make you want to close that one eye. That give you that Forrest Whitaker eye. Like, that's what it gives you.
He's so ugly.
Give you that Forrest Whitaker eye. Just.
Anyways, this is
She's fumbling.
this is toffee. I don't know how we gonna end up both tasting this because
We just gonna.
it's a hard candy.
Let me see.
But this one we gonna try next.
No, it's like a sugar daddy. If you don't know what a sugar daddy is, it's like a.
It's not like it's like a sugar daddy to you.
Yeah, it's hard, but you remember how you gotta suck it?
Open it up.
Oh, I'd rather do this last, but I ain't trying to have no damn toffee.
Well, I mean, what else? What is left to do?
The sucker. Oh, and the cola.
This was a smaller box. I don't know why it was less than this box. It was less than this one. I'm assuming it's because these are their popular snacks in Canada.
All right.
Ugh.
It's too hard. I'm not breaking no tooth.
Okay, hold on. Let me see what I can do.
It's like a sugar daddy.
Okay, y'all. Just like a sugar daddy. Hard caramel.
Hard toffee. So
So I just sucked it.
that's something you just.
I don't know. I like it, but I like the taste of it, but I don't like stuff that's like hard and get stuck all up in your teeth.
Okay.
Hold on, you gotta do this one.
You gonna do that one?
You want me to do this one
Yeah, because I'm
instead?
gonna do this because I know you don't like gum. So
Okay, well I guess I'll do the maple sucker. This is what it looked like. They said that is 100% pure maple. So I'm very interested in this. Let me see if I can get it open, y'all. It don't look like this maple thing want to be touched.
easy.
It don't want me licking on it.
Nah, I can't even pass the gummy tip. Oh, there we go. There we go. Let's see. Look like the Canada flag.
It sure do. Let me see.
She likes it. She likes it.
No. I'm not saying that. It smells exactly like maple. So they said it's 100% maple.
Let me try.
I don't want you looking on my stuff.
Let me just bite a cone. Let me get the cone. Let me get the cone. You remember when you was a kid? No, bite the cone.
Okay, because I just licked this middle piece. So you do this. Do that little piece right there. You can't bite it.
Oh, yeah.
Just like syrup.
Just like
They said it's
drink,
100%.
You're drinking syrup.
I mean,
That's like
all they did was just take some syrup, literally, and molded it into this. And
See it said
It's 100% pure maple.
100%.
I can't bite it like you did.
Okay. Last thing is the
Let me
soda.
put this back in here. Oh yeah, the soda, y'all. He can't even get it open. He can't get it open. Let me see. Here we go with the soda. It don't have no smell to it at all. Ooh.
Let me see your water, because I still got that maple.
It's super fuzzy. Oh my God, it made me splash water.
Let me see.
I let him drink it first. It's nasty. Look at his face, y'all.
You know, it don't have no taste to it. To me, it doesn't.
Then what the heck is it supposed
Just
to be?
try it. I don't know.
Oh, it smells like cola. I can smell the cola.
But it smells like cola, but it don't have no taste, like no serious like taste.
I like it.
Tastes like a flat soda.
No, it don't. I like it.
I could taste the
Tastes like
maple.
cola. I like it, y'all. I don't know.
Beck cola.
I don't know. I like it though.
When I swallow, I can taste the maple.
It's cool to me. It just needs to be cold because it's
Yeah.
just fresh out the box. That's the only thing. I like my soda cold. So we put that in the fridge just to put a chill to it and drink the rest of it because it's going to end up going flat. So, everyone, that's the end of our review on the Crate Box from Canada. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys come back for more because like I said before, this is a monthly subscription. It was only $20 a month, so next month there will be another one.
Oh yeah, I forgot to try the gum. Let's see.
He just interrupted my whole outro for that gum. Ugh. Y'all, it's disgusting. Like I was saying, I hope you guys totally enjoyed this review of the Crate Box from Canada. So, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Like, share, and subscribe this video if you haven't. And we'll be coming back to you with more reviews like this because like I said, the once a month trial was only $20 a month and we don't know
what we gonna get next.
Yeah, we don't know what the next surprise will be. So talk to you guys later. You have a blessed day. Bye.